In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Notary profile on Docusign. This is an essential step if you're planning to use Docusign for your Notary activities and want to streamline the process. Let's jump right into this. First things first, you'll need to go to the Docusign website. So open up your preferred web browser and head over to docusign.com. Docusign is renowned for being the #1 platform in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, so you're in good hands here. Once you are on their homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the Login button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your username and password, so have those credentials handy. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. Now this is your main dashboard, the heart of your day-to-day activities on Docusign, where you can send, manage and track your documents. The next thing we need to do is access your profile. So find the profile option, which is usually located at the top or might be integrated into a menu accessible by clicking your avatar or initials depending on your settings. Clicking on profile brings us one step closer to our goal. Now within your profile, we need to delve into your personal settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. Find and click on My Preferences. This section is designed to allow customization according to your needs. Take a moment to look around. There are numerous options here to enhance your user experience on Docusign. In the My Preferences area, locate where it says Notary Profile. This option is specifically for those who are using Docusign for their notary services, and it's critical for setting up your profile correctly. Clicking on Notary Profile will guide you through an intuitive process tailored to notaries. Just follow along with the on-screen prompts and provide the requested details about your notary commission. This includes verifying your notary status and any other relevant information that solidifies your credibility as a notary on Docusign. Finally, an important part of setting up your notary profile is establishing jurisdictions where you are authorized to operate. You'll need to click on Create Jurisdiction. This step is vital as it specifies the geographical locations where your notary services are recognized and legal. You may need documentation like your notary commission certificate, so it's good to have those ready just in case. With these steps completed, your notary profile on Docusign should now be set up and ready for use. Hopefully this guide was clear and helps make your digital notary journey a breeze. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.